Hello everyone, I am here with you today to just film a quick video showing how I created this image. Now, I'm just coming home from work and I don't have any makeup on. I just wanted to quickly jump on here amongst my messy room and walk you through how I created this image. So it all started with the concept in general was kind of like underwater vibes with a little tweak of, instead of a bathing suit, let's use lingerie. And so instead of like coral reefs and fish, we just used flowers. So for the water effect, what I used is Mylar. I had it on the floor. I had two of them kind of side by side together. And we had some flowers left over from a previous shoot that studio had. So we used those flowers, kind of dying. So I thought, hey, why not? Let's just use them. I arranged a set of flowers in sort of a semicircle, and I wanted my model, Jessica, to sit in the middle of it. And so she did. And how I lit her was with, ready? 4 lights. I used 4 lights, all continuous lighting from Nanlite. I love using Nanlite products. The first light was a warm light in a softbox with diffusion and a grid. And so this light, I just wanted to kind of light her face using a warm temperature, just to kind of bring the skin tones back just a little bit, because I knew I wanted to flood her with blue light. The second light I used was a sort of rim light from behind, and this was a Forza 500 with a blue gel in an umbrella with diffusion. And this was just in the back here, just to kind of shine some blue hues on her. And that's the reason why I used the grid on the main light, because I just wanted her face to be lit and nothing else in the scene, so that everything else can be lit and catch that blue tone. The third light is a light Pavo tube right in front of her. This light is specifically placed there so that it shines on the reflective Mylar surface and beams back up at her. And so I felt like the image lacked a little depth for my taste, and so I added the fourth light, which was placed behind the model, shining on the floor, shining up at the backdrop. That light also was blue. And so these are all the elements combined together, and these are the results. Thank you so much for staying with me as I pump out this really, really rough video. I hope you appreciate it. Let me know how you like it. And I'm sure future videos will be more polished. So my computer's telling me it's time to go. So it's time to go. Thanks. Bye.